My name is Aaron, and I've reviewed hundreds of the world's best backpacks on my YouTube channel. If there's one thing I believe in, it's carving your own path in life by taking risks with the ideas that you can't get out of your head. Like creating a modern work bag designed for the results-driven, growth-focused, never-relenting you. But when it comes to taking action, it's hard to do alone. So I partnered with the world's best backpack makers. And then I got my community of gear lovers to help refine the bag. Now, we are launching the Fyro T22 backpack, an elite 2-in-1 work bag for doers, founders, and people who get shit done. At 22 liters capacity, this bag is the ideal size to conquer your day. And anytime you need to carry more gear, it instantly expands by 18%, giving you the power to carry what you need when you need it. The T22 backpack stands by itself, making it your on-the-go portable office, so you can work from anywhere in the world. The bag's calling card is its one-of-a-kind front compartment that truly does it all. We call it the hatch. A Swiss Army knife for your daily carry, the hatch gives you a look that is ready for early morning meetings and late night meetups. It basically turns your backpack into your personal assistant. You'll get lightning fast access to your most important gear, no matter if you're on the grind or on the go. Let's admit it, pickpockets suck, and our community is obsessed with security. So we developed a locking system underneath the lid of the hatch, so you're always in full control of your journey. The copper logo gives the bag a unique aesthetic that represents the fiery passion.
Whoa. Have you read these comments?
What?
The people are not feeling copper. They want matte black.
But we already shot the whole video with copper. Tab, we can change that in post, right? We call Luke. Hey, Luke.
Hey, dude.
Yeah, hey, bud. Is there any way that I can get a Fyro T22 backpack with matte black branding, like as soon as possible?
Yeah, easy.
Awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah. Don't panic. We'll show the matte black version at the end of the video. Let's show them the Hydro Lock. To stay at the top of your game, you need a bag that is as versatile as you are. Meet the Fyro Hydro Lock. When stowed away, it keeps you looking sleek and feeling streamlined. When engaged, it will keep your bottle secure without interfering with the rest of the bag. And because it's removable, it means you can customize it and replace it. 330D polycarbonate Codra nylon exterior gives you armor-like protection from the elements. A custom honeycomb ripstop nylon interior helps illuminate your essentials. Well-padded shoulder straps, a 3D molded back panel, and a removable sternum strap give you exceptional comfort. We know that your laptop is your life. So we crafted a tech compartment with 5 layers of foam, silicone leather lining, and a padded false bottom, so your laptop finally gets the Iron Throne it deserves. And it's lockable. When you're on the road, slide your bag onto your suitcase vertically so you can navigate airports with ninja-like agility. The hidden back pocket keeps your wallet safe and instantly accessible. And all that still weighing less than 3 pounds. Fyro's mission is to empower every step of your journey. And to show our commitment, we take 3% of our revenue, convert it into business grants, and donate it to founders who are taking risks with the ideas they can't get out of their heads. Let's build something awesome together. Check out that black branding. Oh yeah, that is the right call. Support this campaign now and get yourself a limited edition version of the Fyro T22 backpack.